Shareasale is an online affiliate marketing network that works by helping the merchants promote their products through affiliates, that in turn earn commission through the marketed products. To implement, track, and manage the affiliate marketing of their products, merchants use this platform. Real-time tracking and merchant affiliate quality control are some advantages of using the platform, along with the possibility to deep link. By signing up to the affiliate program, affiliates earn 20% fixed commission on each sale through their referral link. eBay Partner Network. eBay Partner Network is an online affiliate marketplace by eBay that is one of the largest and diversified across the world. eBay hosts about 1 billion product listings, offering a great potential of earning to affiliates. The facilities provided by eBay make up for the comparatively low rates. You get deep linking, custom banners, low payout threshold, and bonus benefits for high-volume publishers. These include promotions, new tools, strong customer service, incentives, and more. Smart Share, the book market tool, Smart Links, and Smart Placements are some robust tools provided by eBay for affiliate marketing. The platform offers a commission rate between 1 to 5% to the affiliates. Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is the most popular affiliate marketing network out there. With 90-day cookies, highly supportive network, optimization tools, diverse niches, and everything, Amazon is one of the best e-commerce affiliate programs out there. The best thing? It's trustworthy, safe, and reliable. By joining the program as an affiliate and marketing the products listed by merchants, you can earn a commission between 4 and 8.5% of the sales. The rates mainly depend on what kind of product you are promoting.